If you receive an error in SQLink that a customer is skipped due to duplication, this means there is a duplicate customer in SME, and SQLink skipped syncing this record. This video will show you how to clean up duplicate customers, and if there is any activity for the duplicate customers, such as service orders or invoices, how to clean up those so they sync properly to QuickBooks. I'll start from the beginning in SME. I have a customer called North Shore School District. To create the syncing error, I'm going to add a duplicate customer record. When I click Save, SME will prompt me that this record was already found in Customers. At this point, you are notified that this is a duplicate, and you should click No. If you click Yes, you'll be warned again. If you click Yes, Add it anyway, the duplicate customer record will be added. I'm going to create a service order for this duplicate customer. I'll just add a service to the order and click Save. I'll generate an invoice for the service. Later, when I sync invoices over to QuickBooks, I'll get an error called Customer Link Not Initialized. I'll show you how to fix this error in this video as well. I'll open SQLink and sync over customers. Notice the error that North Shore School District was skipped due to duplication. Now I'll sync invoices. Notice the invoice error, Customer Link Not Initialized, meaning there is no customer for this invoice. That is because the customer on the invoice didn't sync because of duplication. First, we'll go in and find the duplicate record, clean up the invoice and service order assigned to the duplicate customer, then re-invoice the order and delete the duplicate. First, go to Customers, click Search, Search Active Customers. We need to set up a new search view so you can tell which one is the duplicate. Click View, New View, and in this window, check the following fields: Name, Bill Name, Address 1 and 2, City, State, Cust ID, Parent ID, and QB Export. Once these are all checked, click OK. Arrange the column order and width the way you want them. I'm moving bill name over to the left and just changing the width of some of the columns. Click View, Save View, and type a name for this new view. Going forward, you can use this saved view instead of recreating it every time. In this search view, sort by customer and locate the customer that is the duplicate. Read across the line and locate the Cust ID column. If the Cust ID is blank, that is a duplicate customer record. Double-click to open the duplicate customer. Edit the customer name so it is unique, and we can identify it by typing dupe after the name. Before we delete this duplicate customer, we need to check to see if there are any activities associated with this record. Go to the Customer Activity tab. I'll check Invoices first. Make sure All is selected on the right. I see there's one invoice associated with this duplicate customer. We need to go to Invoice and roll it back. Double-click and SME will jump to the invoice. In the invoice, click Actions, Roll Back Invoice. Later, we will re-invoice the order. Back in the Customer Activity tab, I can see there has been a service order associated with the duplicate customer. Double-click and SME will jump to the service order. Click the magnifying glass to select the original customer. Sort by name, and here we see North Shore School District and North Shore School District dupe. I'll select North Shore School District. The service order has now been reassigned and we can re-invoice the order. This invoice that is generated will sync to QuickBooks fine because it's associated with the original company that is already in QuickBooks. Now that the invoice and the service order are linked to the correct customer, we can delete the duplicate customer. Now I'll open SQLink and resync the customer. Notice there are no errors indicating a duplicate customer. Now I'll sync invoices. All the invoices went through smoothly. We can go to QuickBooks and find the invoice that was created for North Shore School District. To avoid this manual cleanup, pay attention to the warnings prompting you that you are adding a duplicate customer. Click No and look up the existing customer instead of adding another.